My name is Asad Yaqub and I'm your IELTS speaking examiner. Shall we take a start?
Definitely.
Okay. Do you work or study?
Not at all. I am a job person and I do a job at a private institute as a teacher for mathematics, as it's my passion to deliver the knowledge which I gain from my mentors to my students.
Okay. Do you enjoy your current stage of life?
Yeah, definitely, because when you give something to others, then it gives you an inner satisfaction, which is more important for me, and I feel relaxed when I deliver some sort of knowledge.
My question is about your current stage of life. So let's go on. In what stage of your life were you the happiest?
Why a couple of year ago, when I was at university to my complete my graduation, that was I felt time was very happy for me, because then that time you are free from all tensions and worries which you face recently as you become mature, in my point of view.
Which stage of your life do you think is the most important?
In my point of view, the childhood age, the childhood stage is very important for me, because this time you learn lot of things from your surrounding and your parents as well, because it enhances your character and it's very essential for your character building.
Okay. What's your plan for your next stage of life?
Well, according to me, the next plan, I want to go abroad for my higher education, and that's why I do IELTS for achieving my task and to fulfill my commitment with my parents.
Okay. What's the ideal age according to you?
What's the ideal age according to
Yeah.
you?
What's the ideal age according to you? Like 25, 35, 18?
For what?
What's the ideal age for anything?
Mm, According to me, the ideal age is around 20 plus, because that age you are able to understand all the things which are happening in your surrounding, and it gives you motivate, and you gain experience to others.
Okay, we now move on with IELTS speaking part 2. Okay, you'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
It was happened last year when I started my IELTS preparation, and for this purpose I went to an academy to prepare my IELTS, because it is very essential for me to getting how now about the IELTS. So that's why I joined academy. But at that time when I started my preparation there, the atmosphere of the academy was not suitable for me. The first reason is that the teacher timing issue for me, because they had not much time to your student to fulfill their commitment, and they often bunk the class for their other purposes, and secondly, the students are not satisfied with them according to their management, because the staff was too lazy, and they sometime stuck in their schedule, because they want to hire more, they want to get more and more students in their institution, rather than to attention on your student. So that was the time when I changed my opinion to go another academy. That's why it was very challenging for me, and I quit that time.
Okay, we now move on with IELTS speaking part 3. Do children like to change opinion?
Definitely, because when you change your opinion, you finalize that whether it is your good decision or bad. Otherwise, you stuck with it, then it may be harmful afterwards. So, students have changed their opinion.
Okay, why do people change opinion?
Because according to me, when anyone change their opinion, it may be beneficial for later. Consequently, people are stuck with it because they think that what they have decided that is right. On the other hand, if they change it while they may be beneficial for them.
Okay. Why do young people turn to their elders for advice?
Sorry, sir.
Why do young people turn to their elders for advice?
According to me, because elder has much experience rather than their youngster, so we must be learn some lot of things from their elders, and because they have much experience in every field of life, and in this way we gain experience and skills and strategies to sort out our problems and issues.
Okay. Do people like giving opinions about politics?
In my perception, yes, because in our country mostly people give opinion to others, and especially in the field of politics, politics people mostly advise that they don't do better things, and they can be improve their targets and achievement.
Okay. Thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test. Have a good day.